Oh my goodness. Did you guys see these tumblers, these cups? These look gorgeous. Self-love. Love this. But look how fancy these are. They have the wooden tops at the top. They are so gorgeous. Now, these are $5. Absolutely love these. Is more where that came from. Check this out. But honey, before we get into this one, I just seen this one. I said, oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. And look how they have the straws to match the color around the rim of the tumbler. But first, coffee. How cute is this? Now, we're going to do this. I don't know why Dollar Tree has them at the bottom. Nobody can see these gorgeous things. These are so good. Look, good vibes only. What really is fancy to me is the wooden top up here. That is so gorgeous. They also have this one as well. Make it easy. I know that's right. And how about these? So I had showed you guys these yesterday. These are absolutely beautiful. Now, it is a two-way twist off, and we're going to go through this right now so I can show you guys how fancy these really are. All right, family, so these tumblers, the two-way twist off double wall water bottle, absolutely love these. They have the gold right here. They come in several different colors. They are so gorgeous. They also have this little flippy thing right here, so you could, I guess you could attach it to, I don't know if you could attach it to your backpack, but look. So you open it here, okay, at the top. Or if you want, like if you really thirsty, right? If this just don't do and you really thirsty, then you could do it here. This is so cool. I absolutely love these. Dollar Tree is okay with me. So today, my loves, we are at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Check these items out. You're gonna love this. So first up, Dollar Tree has their tumblers out. And you know what? If you was to go to any other retailer, you will not be able to find tumblers for $1.50. These are an amazing deal. They also have the orange ones. I absolutely love this. And these, oh my goodness. They bring these out pretty much every year during this time of the season. They have the purple. Absolutely love. But my favorite is definitely the glow in the dark tumblers. These are so freaking cute. They also have the silver ones as well. Love this. And then they also have these Hey Boo tumblers over here, like for the little kids. These are gorgeous, and these are also, they lights up. So many exciting finds at Dollar Tree at this location, things I never even seen before. Check this out. Listen, now you guys know how I feel about Dollar Tree, like hair products, but child, when I tell you they out here delivering. Clinique. Okay, now I was like, oh my goodness, maybe they only have the conditioner. No, child, they have this one. This is the replenishing shampoo, non-stripping, ultra mild cleansing, restores vital moisture, fortifies and protects, damage control for dry, damaged hair. Oh my goodness. Now, they also have the replenishing keratin conditioner. Love this. Dollar Tree is really doing it. So many name brand finds at Dollar Tree. Check this out. Another new find at Dollar Tree is the Bath and Beauty cleanses and moisturizes this hand soap. It smells so amazing. But they had the pear one, but I guess the pear one they sold out because it was 2 cents, this one and pear. But since they don't have the pear, this one would definitely do. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Indonesian vanilla scented liquid hand soap. These smells absolutely divine. Really good. They also have the Thai coconut scented. These are $1.25. Another major find is this Almay. Now, this lip color, it is the brown shade, and it says Lip Vibes Core Out. This is $1.25. They also have this Jowo Wand Me Up Concealer for $1.25 as well. Another fun find is the Revlon Ultra HD Snap Nail Polish that comes in different colors. Absolutely love the yellow. They also have the green and then the blue, and they also have this orange. This orange is so fancy. $1.25. If you guys are looking for flushable wipes, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the Tushy Woman flushable wipes. You get 48 wipes for $1.25. They also have the Joe Boxers flushable wipes, 30 individually wrapped pre-moisturized wipes. These are so good, $1.25. You guys are looking for some fancy items that's really inexpensive. Check this out. They have the Extreme Eco. This is the facial brush at Dollar Tree. Get into it. This is really fancy. Made with wheat straw, 100% waterproof, dual side. This is so gorgeous. Now, Dollar Tree also have some beautiful, this is a blush stick, okay? Get into this. Perfect Peach, contains shea butter and vitamin E. This is $1.25, but look how fancy this is. This is lip balm. Love this. Contains shea butter and vitamin E, $1.25 as well. If you guys are looking for a concealer, a primer, a base, a corrector, this is the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 for $1.25. And I have this at home. This is really good. Another good find is these mascaras up here from LA Colors. Totally iconic length mascara. I have this one and then also the purple. The purple one I really like. Is really good. Lift and a lot. Now, Dollar Tree also have the facial cleanser. This is for acne prone skin, developed with dermatologists. This is $1.25 from Dermacell. These facial sheet masks, these are so cute. Every time I see this puts me definitely in the mind of cocoa. I love it. This is the Ultra Nourishing Sugar Skull Shape infused with hyaluronic acid. These are $1.25. If you guys are looking for a Halloween theme, Dollar Tree has these LED lighted ceramic skulls. These are $7. They also have these mushroom pop mids. These are really cute. They are on the thin side, like especially right here. I would pretty much use this like for decorations or so. They also have the pumpkin pop mid as well. These are $1.50. And check these out. Absolutely love the skull mugs. These are so cute. They also have the ghost one. Love this. $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these plates over here that says Day of the Dead, Halloween theme. Really cool. This puts me in the mind of Coco. Another amazing item Dollar Tree has is the Softy, the wig dry shampoo, the coconut hibiscus. This is the shampoo. They did have the conditioner, but I don't think they have that one here. Oh no, they just have the shampoo. And my loves, if you come to Dollar Tree, don't sleep on these. These are really good. The coconut oil, 100%. They also have the tea tree oil. They also have the black castor oil and then the vitamin E oil. This is definitely a must. This is the Softy Growth Oil, the thickening formula. Really good for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for Christmas items, I know we still haven't got into Halloween, but you know at the stores do. They definitely has their Christmas item like this glitter mesh ribbon. These are $1.50. They also have the little Christmas trees. Oh my goodness, honey, they also have their ornaments out right now. I love this. 5 pieces for $1.50. This is so amazing. They have their garland, the 50-foot garland out, red and also gold. Love that. They have the LED projector lights. Love this. And then they also have the mesh tubes over here. This is $1.25. My favorite piece was definitely this, the winter blessings. So gorgeous, honey. Not them doing the brows, okay? The brows are definitely styling and profiling. They also have the pom-poms over here, 80 pieces. So many amazing finds. Ornaments with the initials, $1.50. This is cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 4 pieces party drink bags over here that says vampire blood. They also have these little lighted ghosts over here. These are so cute. Definitely put you in the spirit of Halloween. Hanging decorations. These are $1.50. Really cool. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Dollar Tree had so many new finds. Mine's definitely was the Carrington, the shampoo and the conditioner. Oh my goodness. They had a lot of new items. Really good. Oh, also that lip balm that looks like popcorn at the top. That was $1.25. You know, Dollar Tree just keeps on impressing me. Each and every time I go and do a video, I am like so shocked by the items that they currently are selling. Really amazing.